What does CBD oil taste like? If you're new to CBD, the flavor might surprise you. Most CBD oils have a natural, earthy, grassy taste that comes directly from the hemp plant. Some people describe it as nutty or slightly bitter, while others find it similar to green tea or herbs. The exact flavor depends on the type of CBD oil you're using. Full-spectrum oils tend to have the strongest hemp taste because they contain more of the plant's natural compounds. Broad-spectrum and CBD isolate products are usually milder. The carrier oil can also affect the flavor, with options like hemp seed oil adding a richer taste, and MCT oil creating a smoother finish. If you're not a fan of the natural hemp flavor, flavored CBD oils are a great alternative. Ultimately, taste comes down to personal preference, and finding a CBD oil you enjoy can make it easier to use consistently.